I'm practicing for thumbnails. Hold on. Anyway. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you've never been here before, hello. My name is Pixie. I'm a 20-year-old teen mom with a 2-year-old baby girl. And tonight we are making pumpkin pie from scratch because tomorrow is Thanksgiving and I am doing this very last minute. And it is currently 7:51 p.m. the day before Thanksgiving. Woo! Since I've been working all day, I need to prep. So let me go prep. The innuendos of me being a little toasty are there. I forgot my drink. Okay. Okay, now that we're all good, I got everything I think I need for this pumpkin pie. I'm gonna cut the stem off, and then I think I'm gonna like split it in half. Okay. And get all the seeds out of it and the like stringy gut part, because we don't need that part. I think I might save that part and use it for something different, because I think you can use that part. I'm definitely wanting to make pumpkin seeds because that's something we usually do every fall, but since we didn't do jack-o'-lanterns this year on Halloween, I've yet to have pumpkin seeds. So, well, that's if these even doing all of this very wrongly. Oh, there we go. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, I did. Yeah, guys. Let's see. Let's see that. I did. All right. So now here's the fun part. The seeds. And I already have the oven preheating to 400 degrees, by the way. I have a bowl here off the side for the gutsy part. You think I'm gonna have to like, rah. No, it's stringy part. I'm gonna hold on. I think it's okay if it ends up in the puree, but seeds are new. See if you got all the seeds out. I'm trying to do all of this while my daughter is sleeping, and I have to get the food processor out here. So, well, maybe not out here. Maybe out here. Maybe out here. I should only need one pie crust, which is pre-bought. Because in a way I'm making homemade filling from scratch and a pie crust from scratch when I have hardly any time to do this. My dad, see her sleep and come out of the room and be like, where'd she go? What the heck? Then he's gonna find out here. Trying to get all the seeds out of the pumpkin. I wonder how much it's actually cut out. Probably a lot of it. I can see the light at the end of the in the last video, but I think I cut it out. The people who live in the building right there, like literally my back porch overlooks another building, another apartment building, well, another building in the complex. The people in the upstairs unit right across from us are like big time streamers, gamers, techie people. They're always on their computers. They're always on, I guess that's a PC system. I don't know. I know one of them works from home. Like, cause she's told us. Which could mean a lot of things. But you know. There's so many seeds. Oh, hi. I told you guys he was gonna come over here and find me sticking my whole hand in the pumpkin. We're getting all the seeds out. Here, let me bring the bowl closer. I should have thought that through.
You can roast them.
I know, that's what I was thinking. Is like I kind of want to save them because we usually make roasted pumpkin seeds for Halloween when we do jack-o'-lanterns, but we didn't do jack-o'-lanterns.
What do you use roasted seeds for jack-o'-lanterns for?
To eat. Like we carve the jack-o'-lantern and we save the seeds for snacks.
Okay.
Yeah. Does that make sense now?
Yeah.
That was like my stepdad's favorite
Feels
thing.
very familiar.
What's that supposed to mean? Oh my god. Okay.
It's a lot of seeds.
I know.
Pumpkin,
I
oh my
know.
God.
I guess it's like a regular pumpkin, but they picked it before it like fully grew, and that's why it's so small.
It's a lot of seeds.
You want to try and plant a pumpkin? You want to just toss a handful of seeds over and see what happens?
Low key? I kind of do. Okay. We do have like a lot of dogs that live in the complex, like right there, and I think even in this building. Toss some over there too. Just to see, you know? Just to see.
Yeah, why not?
Why not? Okay. Babe, look how thick that rind is. There was no way we would have been able to crush that. If you missed the last video, I'll insert a little clip here. We tried crushing this with our thighs because I saw pretty women on Instagram do it. And like, you'll see people do that with watermelon and stuff, but like, of course you gotta do pumpkin. That's the true taste, is pumpkin. Okay, I think I officially got all the seeds. Damn it! I didn't get all the seeds, I say one! Rah! Rah! Not a happy camper!
It smells really good.
It does. Okay, here. Take this sticker off for me. My hands are mushy. It's the only way I can describe it. Cut it in half. Should I do that again? No, okay. Oh. Hey, it's only taken me 10 minutes to do all of this. I'm actually pretty impressed with myself. I think I can just... Y'all ready? Y'all ready to see this? Oh, it's slippery. Boom. And now we just... Yeah. 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 It's been in there for like an hour. Oh, do I have a second oven mitt? I hope I didn't mess all this up and burn it. Is it cooked? Is it soft? Okay, cool. And we're gonna figure out where we're gonna do this. Food processing, because I don't like that. Okay, yeah. I'm now in CJ's room, and I gotta puree. I'm gonna puree this pumpkin that he's bringing in. Put it somewhere. Please don't put it in. For now. Awesome. Okay. Be careful. You got it. Oh my god. We'll just save the extra pie filling and make a second pie. And then we can freeze it and bake it at Christmas. Or, hear me out. We make one for
Also, I want to tell you a good little tidbit. People on the video are going to be a little jealous, so I'm saying it louder. We're having 2 turkeys tomorrow.
They're making 2 turkeys tomorrow?
Yes, because my parents are making one specifically to bring home.
Yeah. It's still warm, but it's not too bad to where I can like grab it and stuff. That one might still be really hot.
That's why I'm going to kind of break it open real quick so we can start cooling.
Oof. It's slippery still. Part that I didn't record, I put it in the oven at 400 degrees for 45 minutes with a little bit of water to like steam it to get it all nice and soft. And now we are putting it in the food processor to puree it. And like from we're not gonna have enough egg. I think I need another egg if I'm making this much.
No, you're good.
Yeah, I'll be fine.
Okay.
And then bring me some paper towels in like 5 minutes. Okay. Oh, it's not. What's going on? Hello? Is it this? Is this not all right? No, surely not. Surely can't be the outlet. Sorry, I couldn't figure it out. Like, it wasn't going. So now that I know that what's that? What's that for? Hi. You did the thing? No! Don't tell me. Don't tell me. Don't tell me you shaved your mustache. Don't tell me you shaved your mustache. Just kidding. Oh my god. I fucking hate you. I'm about to actually cry. Like, okay, so it was because the bowl wasn't locked all the way. Ounces of sweetened condensed milk. We're gonna start with that and see what happens. Where's the cotton towel here? Splash of vanilla. Cinnamon. Ground ginger, which this should be brand new. I like mine real gingery. Nutmeg, and we'll put the egg in last.
Haven't had one like that from Jackie yet, so you're all good.
We're all good?
You're
It's
all
a
good.
safe
There's
one?
No blood or nothing, so you're good.
Okay. Cool down enough? I don't think so, but we're gonna... Guys, I think I did it. Alright, let's go to the kitchen. It tastes like pumpkin pie?
Yeah. Okay.
I'm not gonna lie. Why did gotta do that. I'm probably gonna need that. Will it come off? See, spatula. Sometimes I forget that The Undertaker was also a WWE wrestler. And not just a monster truck.
Baby Beth.
No, that's Gravedigger, isn't it? Fuck. Hi. I messed out. Okay, I didn't cut myself. So messy. Okay, put that in the sink or something. I don't know.
I heard you dropped it and I got so worried
About the
that
crust.
you were gonna have a mental breakdown because you broke the crust or something.
No, I thought I cut myself. I would have had a mental breakdown if the crust got ruined. Can I have a
That's a good feeling to me.
Yeah?
10 out of 10.
You got it. Fill that baby to the brim.
It won't rise or anything.
No, it'll just get solid.
You can tell I'm not a baker. Things will rise if they have baking soda in them.
Is that because baking soda has like naturally, or like has like yeast in it or something? Is it like
No,
they put
yeast is different.
Well, I
I'm
know
talking
it's
about for
different,
like
but,
cakes and
like-
stuff, but no, baking soda doesn't have any like yeast properties in it. But like when baking soda gets hot, it expands. So it'll make it's like making a cake rise.
There you go.
You know what I mean?
I did the thing where I spread it out.
Ah, good job. Okay, now we gotta put this on
Off
300. Is it good? Okay, we're gonna heat this up. Hey, we're not doing bad on time. It's only 9:45.
Baby, taste this one.
I tried it.
No, taste like this one. It just tastes a little different.
The
It's
inside?
like, yeah, you taste like more natural pumpkin.
Mm. Man, I did good.
You did really good.
I'm so excited. I'm gonna turn it up to 300 because I really don't want to mess this up. And I think it's gonna bake for like an hour.
An hour?
Mm-hmm.
I would do like 30 minutes first.
I mean, obviously, I have ways to check. Can you pull my back? Oh, my back is so crunchy. Try to get do more. Damn. Do like right up. Yeah. Thank you. Oh, my back is crunchy. Alright guys, real quick, happy Thanksgiving. Here's how the pie turned out. It's pretty solid. It looks delicious. It smells delicious. We did it. We're about to go to Thanksgiving dinner now. They're loading up the in-laws' car with the baby and stuff. And, ooh, gotta hide that. And I think we got everything. I'm just making sure the car is warm. There he is. All right, we're going. Cousin walked by ourselves because no one else showed up. Hi guys, it's later in the evening. It's about 4:30 p.m., 5 p.m. ish. We just got back from his grandparents, and we're actually about to go see my mom for a little bit, just for a little bit though. The texture of the pie came out like perfectly. The natural pumpkin flavor, since it, you know, I used an actual pumpkin and not like a pre-made like pumpkin pie mix or something, like I feel like it made it taste like so incredibly fresh, and the natural pumpkin flavor, you can tell it was like an all-natural pumpkin. I don't know how to describe it other than it was so good, and you can tell that it was real pumpkin in the pie, and I loved it. My only thing is I want to use more sweetened condensed milk next time I make it, to make it a little bit sweeter. So yeah, I guess I'm gonna end this here. For anyone wondering how long I baked the pie for, I baked it for I want to say 35 minutes. 35 to 40 minutes at 300 degrees. Yeah. Alright. So I'm going to go ahead and end this here. I hope y'all enjoyed. I definitely recommend this recipe if you want to like follow along, or not follow along, but like use the same ingredients and stuff. And I will see you next time. How's the pie?
Good.
It's really good?
Yeah, it's really good.
Any other ones you have for the pie?
It was really good. It tastes a lot more natural than other pumpkin pies do.
Yeah. Alright. And I will see y'all in the next video. If you want to see more of me, I have my other social medias below in the description. And I will see you next time. That's time for Christmas. Alright. Bye.